Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
I will walk you through removing your photos from iCloud step by step. First, understand that iCloud keeps deleted photos in recently deleted for 30 days. This means deletion is not always immediate across devices. Next, prepare each device you own and are signed into with your Apple ID. Have your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Windows PC ready. Also decide whether to keep local copies of photos on one device before removing them everywhere. Start on an iPhone or iPad by opening Photos and selecting the images. Tap Delete and then open Albums to access recently deleted. Choose Delete All to remove photos immediately from iCloud, bypassing the 30-day wait. On a Mac, open the Photos app, select Items, and press Command Delete. Then open Recently Deleted and select Delete All to clear them from iCloud. On iCloud, select Photos, pick Images, Delete, and then Empty, Recently Deleted too. After clearing existing images, stop future syncing by turning off iCloud Photos on every device. On iPhone, go to Settings, your name, iCloud, then Photos and turn off iCloud Photos. On Mac, open System Settings, click Apple ID, choose iCloud, and disable Photos. Consider signing out of iCloud or removing the device from your account for added security. Also disable My Photo Stream if used. It stores up to 1,000 photos for 30 days.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.